Hi there, YouTubers. How are you? As it stands, as it usually is, I found the add-on. Actually, I'm just looking here. The person that sent me this add-on information was by Twitter by Yusri Hadi. So thank you, Yusri Hadi. He actually basically told me that there is another add-on called PALLIVE. So I'm gonna share it with you guys. So in video add-ons, what I've done is I've installed already Live TV PALLIVE. Right, you can see here that it's got different type of categories. I've tried all of them, not all of them working, but most of them do, and the ones that do work, you know, they're very good actually. Like for example, like give you the ones I just tried already.
I see.
This one is working, for example. This is a live signal from all Hotbird stuff. Well, I mean, Hotbird is a satellite dish called Hotbird, or Eurobird, some people call it. This one is a 1080 signal of this channel, which is quite cool. Let me go back. Let's say movies is the one I've tested. I think I liked Fox movies.
What's there? He did a whole lot of squirm.
Okay, it's got a little bit of translation of Arabic as well, so that's not bad. Let's see if this one works. Okay, so it does work. I don't know what film that was. MBC2.
Fight for our freedom, and that's a real American dream.
For the people that don't know, MBC2 is actually an Arabic channel, but it broadcasts English films in English programming. Well, mostly American, to be honest. So, it's Major Crimes. What's that? It's a channel called Major Crimes. That's interesting. And I've just clicked it, and it's not working. Oh no, it is working.
Highly successful
work it is. So you can see that it's actually working. You know, the channel does work. There is the kids section, film on section, pretty much loads of different channels here, which is quite nice. At least you get another add-on that has got a lot of different things. Being Sport, for example, I've not tried all of them, but I've tried most of them, and right now they're not working. But I'm guessing that they probably will work in the future. Yeah, I just clicked on one and it didn't work. Israeli channels. Okay. I tried several of them. They do work. You got Nilesat. It was supposed to be Nilesat, but it's got Nail. Okay, I think Nilesat is spelled N-I-L-E, not Nail. Nailsat. Full Nailsat as well here. So you got both of them here, but I've tried randomly 2 or 3. Right now it's not working, but I'm sure that they will fix it eventually. Now the add-on itself, once you actually try to run it, it will ask you to restart your XBMC, which is not problem. This will work also on, I mean, I'm running this on XBMC 13.2, but it will work also on Kodi. How do you install this How do you install this add-on? That's why I like to hear that some of you say. Right, unfortunately there is no repository for this. I only managed to get it by downloading it. So I'll try to look for a repository that contain it, but in the meantime, if you guys know what repository, message me and I'll try to share it with everybody. So on the internet, oops, wrong application. On the internet, this particular URL I'm going to share it with everybody. Actually, I'm going to go over here first of all, and here. So repo, plugin video pal. Okay, so in here, this is the URL that I'll be sharing. What you need to do is you need to click on the zip file which says a day ago, or you can say whichever day it was, but say the one that try to click on the updated version. That's the least updated version. So click on that one. Once you click on it, you click on raw, wait for it to download. Once it downloads, I mean, I'm doing it on my Windows machine, but this is the same principle on Linux and Android. I'm not sure how the principle is going to go on Apple TV. You're going to have to download on your machine and throw it, but upload it to your XBMC through the file manager via SMP. That's for Apple TV, but for most machines, this is the same way. You click on raw, it'll download. You go in XBMC, you go into system, you go into settings, you go into add-ons. From add-ons, you click on install from zip, and you locate it. You locate the file that's been downloaded. Users, my one. Where is it? Where is it? Where are you? Okay, so it's called repository video repository, plugin video repository. So plugin video PAL TV. There we go. This is the one I just downloaded. You click on it. Make sure you wait for the bottom right hand corner where it says add-on has been enabled. That's pretty much it. You don't need to do anything else. Once you've done that, that's it. You've actually got it. Let me see if it asks me again. No, so the first time it actually did ask me to wait for guide to be downloaded, wait for restart, and I had to restart my XBMC. That's no problem. So you got here the PALLIVE remote setting URL. So you got remote setting URLs working. So that's actually not bad because it works. You can change your things here. You can click on appearance. You can change. And so this add-on is not bad actually. I like it. I think it will eventually take off once they actually get a lot of people using it, and probably will be on a repository as well very soon. I'm thinking the XUnity repository probably be best for it, or Super Repo repository. But in the meantime, we'll have to let the developers do. I mean, the developer of this, of course, is, if I go here, it's Yusri Rahadi. So the same guy that actually tweeted the message saying, is this one here. So he's the one who sent it to me. I've got to say thank you then. Well, thank you in advance then. I appreciate it very much for sending me this link and letting me share it with everybody. I'll see you guys later. Have fun.